Hey everyone, welcome back to channel and the Python automation project series. In this video, you are going to build real-world login bot using a Python and Selenium. This is a great product if you are a beginner and want to learn how to automate websites. You will be automating a practice login page, filling out the forms, submitting it, and checking if we are logging into a successfully. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a Python install. And this is a page which we are going to be testing today. We already have a username and password given on this website to submit, and once you submit, it will goes into a next page which says that successfully login. This is what we have to test it and check it out. The login is getting successfully or not. So you also need to be download Chrome browser, which allows Python to control your Chrome browser. Go to chromeDriver.Chromium.org and download from there the version that matches your Chrome browser version. And let's start from the login bot.python. So I'll just create a new file, login bot.python. Okay, I already installed Selenium. You can install by using pip install Selenium. So it will gets library install. So WebDriver, which we are using, the importing from a Selenium, that launches a browser, and the by help us to find element on a page. We will use time.sleep as well to wait between the steps. So I'll just clear this window. We'll go to and import the Selenium. So we'll just start writing import Selenium. Import is WebDriver. As I mentioned, WebDriver launches the browser. Then from selenium.webdriver.common.by, as I mentioned earlier, by help us to find an element on a page. Okay, and the time. So import time. So now we'll give driver is equals to WebDriver dot ChromeDriver. You have to open the ChromeDriver, so I'll just give the ChromeDriver here. Okay, then again the driver dot get. Here you have to give the URL. The URL is, I think the URL is this. I'll just give it this URL here, and we are going to open a new Chrome browser and going to practice login page provided for the automation learning. Let's locate the input fields and enter username and password. So for the locating, we gonna use it most probably IDs here. So it's I'm clicking on right click on this fields. Once you right click, just inspect the element. So inspect element on a input text box for the username and check it out what ID it is. It is an username. Similarly, do it for password and button. For password, ID is password, and just check last is a submit button and ID is submit. Let's go ahead and check it out. Username is equals to driver dot find element, in bracket we'll just give by dot id. We are going to be use an id, so I'm giving you id. You can also use a class name by using by dot class name and just mention the class name here. I'm just going with username and password of now. Password, I'll just enter password, and here as well the id is password. Similarly, we will do it send for button as well, but before that we found the fields by their ID, which you can inspect on web page browser dev tools. I already shown you. Then we use dot send keys to type into the fields. Okay, so username dot send keys. So here I'll just mention student, which is having actually username for a student, and similarly we'll do the password dot send keys. Okay, and here I'll give the password and 123. This is my password actually they have given, and here we'll again do the login button. Login button is equals to driver dot find element by dot id comma, and we'll give the here id is submit. Now we click the button by finding its id and calling the click. So because we have to click it, no, so we'll just call it click here. Okay, now we have to give the time uh, for wait the new page to load. So I'll just give time dot slip. Okay, I'll give 2 seconds. I'll hit the enter. Then for the success message, is equals to driver dot find element by tag name comma, just give tag name as h1 and that text, and we wait for 2 seconds, and then we are checking the heading on the new page, and if heading says logged in successfully, we print the success message, otherwise we print failure message. So if logged in successfully, if logged in is successfully in success message, then print login success. Okay, and else I'll just give else here for failure message, the print login failed. Okay, now it says that login failed or successful, and it will print it, but we also give a screenshot of the results, so it will save image screenshot of the successful. And now I'll just give here else print login failed. Okay, now let's also save the screenshot of the result. This will helpful for a documentation or a proof that is worked. So we'll just say that driver dot save screenshot, and we'll just give the image name, that is a login screenshot dot png. Okay, and I'll just save this. I'll run it. Let's see how it is working. Okay, so it's saying that username is invalid, and it should print okay, didn't find a student. Let me see the, okay, S is small here, and I have given the S is capital. I'll just run it one more time. Okay, logged in is successfully, and yeah, that says we got a message that login is success. Okay, fine. The last is we are done, but let's close the browser using the quiet to just free up our system resources. So we are just given driver dot quit. So this will be free up our machine after every run. And yeah, this is a final code. We'll just take a look of the final code. That's it for today. We are just built up working login automation bot using Python and Selenium. This is one of the most common real world automation and great skill to have for a freelancing testing or productivity. If this help you, make sure like, subscribe and check out the full playlist. Python automation project, real world use cases for the beginners. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Bye.